Everyone seems to be making this healthy oat ice cream recipe this summer, so I decided to try it also. The ingredients sound more like a breakfast recipe than ice cream, but look how creamy it turned out. To make this healthy ice cream, start by soaking 3/4 of a cup of cashews in warm water for about 10 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of rolled oats to a blender or food processor and blend for about 30 seconds until the oats turn into a smooth oat flour with no larger pieces left. The finer you grind the oats, the smoother the ice cream will be once everything is mixed together. Then, pour the blended oats into the bowl. Now, use a sieve to drain the soaked cashews and leave them there for a few seconds so most of the water can run off. Then, give them a quick rinse under cold water. Let the extra water drain away before adding the cashews to the blender. Blend the soaked cashews for about 30 seconds. Keep going until there are no large pieces left and the mixture looks smooth and even. Then add 6 pitted dates to the blender as well. After that, add 3/4 of milk. Blend again until the dates are fully broken down and everything looks smooth and creamy. Keep going until you cannot see any small pieces of cashews or dates left in the mixture. Next, add the blended oats back to the blender. Blend everything together until the oats are fully mixed in and you cannot see any dry oat flour left. The mixture will become quite thick at this point. It should look smooth and creamy, a little like a soft bowl of porridge. Next, I like to add some chopped dark or semi-sweet chocolate. You can skip this part if you prefer to keep the ice cream plain. You could also add a small handful of raisins or dried cranberries instead, depending on what you have at home and what you enjoy. Just choose whatever sounds good to you. I really love chocolate, so I'm going to add a generous handful. I like how you get little pieces of chocolate in every few bites once the ice cream is frozen. Now, scoop all the oat mixture out of the blender and into a large mixing bowl, making sure you get as much of it out as you can. Then, add the chocolate and gently fold it through the thick mixture until the pieces start to spread out evenly. Keep mixing until there is a little chocolate throughout, so you get some in every scoop. Next, scoop all of that mixture into a freezer-safe container or a loaf pan and spread it out so it reaches all the corners. Smooth out the top with the back of a spoon or a spatula, then cover the container with a lid or a piece of plastic wrap so the ice cream is well sealed before it goes into the freezer. Freeze the oat ice cream for at least 6 hours or leave it overnight if you want it a little firmer. Once it is frozen, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. This gives it a chance to soften slightly, so it is much easier to serve. I really love how thick and creamy this oat ice cream is, and the little pieces of chocolate make every bite so good. It is not exactly like regular ice cream, but it is still really tasty in its own way. It is certainly a much nicer option on a hot day than sitting down with a hot bowl of porridge. If you enjoyed making this frozen treat, you should try my Greek yogurt ice cream next. It turns out really smooth and creamy, and you do not even need an ice cream maker to make it. Check it out now!